We at Prometeor help companies innovate and transform by leveraging its unique insights, differentiated services with flexible partnering model. We are primarily focused on mobile and cloud-based services in different verticals like e-commerce, healthcare, edtech, real estate, etc. We have achieved the trust of hundreds of offshore clients. Our customer-centric approach helps us to become one of the elite company among the top mobile application development companies in India.
So hello, I'm Selami Rabah. So our choice was a promoted solution with a company size similar to ours, and we are really very satisfied with their work.
For the fastest development team I've ever met. So what I can say is great job done.
Here we always try to have a smooth function, starting from having a good environment for our employees and having a good relation with our client as well. We always try to focus on having a superior process in all our departments.
So being a one-stop shop for all the IT needs, we need to be very agile in terms of development. So we have developed our own methodologies where we try to develop an MVP for our clients in less than 30 days. So they can go to market and test their product and try to develop a final product based on their reviews and feedback they get from their clients.
Hi, I'm Roshan Lipembe and I'm founder of Isumi Pharma. Today we are very happy for the birthday of Prometeor Solution to wish them all the best. All the best because you have a good team, you have good skills, and you are very pragmatic in business.
Hey everyone, I am Ben, president and founder of the company Rewinning in France. I am sending you this message to wish you a very happy birthday. See you soon in Paris.
Getting a quality product is a major concern of each and every client. So we make sure that our client gets top-notch end result. To achieve this, we use best tools present in the market, which help us to deliver product at a faster pace.
In Prometeor, we follow the testing guidelines, which includes the testing process and specification management.
Documenting is the most important part for any product development. Unless we have a proper requirement document, the development team can end up building a system which does not suit the client needs.
I worked with much companies together, but not any was this professional like this, because they respond really fast. So when you write something, they respond you immediately, and they are very good to find solution for your need.
Hello Prometeor's team, I'm the CTO and co-founder of Ublue, a French company specialized in software development. I had the opportunity to collaborate with Prometeor's team 2 years ago on a mobile and web portal development. It was a very successful collaboration, and I wish you a happy anniversary to the company, and wish you to keep going like this.
I feel lucky to be a part of a business development team here. No one restricts you from exploring new things. Your ideas are always appreciated. The best part is no one is your boss. They will help you, they will teach you, they will guide you, and the most important is they will believe in you.
I believe in the power of recognition and empowerment, leading to grow customer engagement. Write to understood, speak to heart, read to grow. It helps to build a customer relationship. Our greatest asset is the customer. So be kind, be helpful, and be merciful.
Talking about sales and marketing perspective, we faced many challenges initially due to language barrier and also less knowledge about local culture. But as and when we started communicating with them, we visited their countries, we met them face to face. That helped us improve our process in general. And by that, what we developed is a unique business model.
Hello, my name is Jack. I am the president of Hotel Charming Character. We work with for 3 years with Prometeor, and we are very happy to work with them. They provide us many websites. Prometeor for us is like a partner, and they are very reactive with a lot of agility and a lot of kindness also, you know.
Hi, this is Jihan from EasyTrackWare. It's professional and has, I think, a good background with a very good team here.
Écrit une équipe de développement commercial. On parle de nouvelles personnes, de leur langue sehr mühsam.
Hallo, ich bin Chetan. Ich mache ein Praktikum bei Prometer Solutions. Es ist toll. Ich fühle mich, als ob ich hier seit Jahren arbeite. Prometer Solutions ist eine geile, coole Firma.